pretty cool, Zicky. That's...
One more.
You want to do this one too? Okay. You know, it's much easier to handle.
Watch your face, Zicky.